Most gig workers get this wrong. They think all cash advance apps work the same, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing an app that does not understand irregular income. Because in 2026, gig work is flexible, but most financial apps are still built for traditional paychecks. In this video, we are breaking down the best cash advance apps for gig workers in 2026 and how to actually choose the right one for your income style. Let's start with the basics. Cash advance apps are tools that let you access money before payday. For gig workers like Uber drivers, freelancers, or delivery riders, income does not come on a fixed schedule. That is why choosing the right app matters even more. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not every app is built for gig income. Some only work well if you have a consistent employer paycheck. Others are designed specifically for flexible or hourly income. Let's break it down step by step. First category is earned wage access apps. These apps track your income and give you access to money you have already earned. One popular example is Earnin. Earnin works well for gig workers because it looks at your bank activity and earnings pattern instead of a fixed salary. A worker like Jake, who drives for rideshare apps, can use it when his deposits start showing consistent activity. But here's the problem most gig workers miss. If your income is too inconsistent, approval or advance limits may change week to week. So you cannot always rely on a fixed borrowing amount. Second category is flexible, cash advance apps. One example is Dave. Dave is popular because it gives small advances without requiring a traditional paycheck. It uses spending behavior and account activity to estimate eligibility. For someone like Alex who does food delivery part-time, this can be helpful during slow weeks. Now here's where it gets important. Gig workers often face fluctuating limits. One week you may qualify for a higher advance, and the next week it can drop if your income pattern changes. Third factor is transfer speed. Most apps offer free standard transfers, but instant transfers usually come with a small fee. So if you need money urgently, you may end up paying for speed even if the app has no subscription cost. Now let's talk about safety. Gig workers should always avoid relying on cash advances for long-term expenses. These apps are designed for emergencies, not consistent income replacement. In a minute, I'll show you a simple trick to increase your approval chances, even if your gig income is irregular. Now let's simplify everything. The best cash advance apps for gig workers in 2026 are the ones that track real income activity, not just traditional salaries. Earnin and Dave stand out because they adapt better to flexible work patterns. Let's summarize clearly. If you are a gig worker, you need an app that understands inconsistent income, offers flexible eligibility, and does not lock you into monthly fees. Earnin and Dave are two of the strongest options depending on your activity and banking history. If this helped you understand cash advance apps for gig workers, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.